Today I'm going to show you how to scan a document via the app Notes, which you can find in every iPad or iPhone. First, we shall open the app and create a new document by clicking onto the squared symbol on the top right corner. Then, we click on the symbol of a camera and select the first option, Scan Document. Position the device in front of the paper you want to scan and you should see that the scanning area is highlighted in yellow. At this point, you can opt for the automatic or manual function. The first one takes a picture without you pressing anything, but you should remain still. With the manual option, it should be you clicking onto the white circle in the middle. I use the automatic option as this doesn't exclude the manual one, so I have both. Once you have taken the picture, you can drag the angles to make sure that your scan includes only the necessary things. When you're happy, click Save at the bottom right corner and move on to the next page. The flatter the pages are, the better it is. This is how our scan looks so far, and this is the note we have created. Every scanning has a limited amount of pages that we can scan. At the moment there are 25, so in case you have a longer document, you can always create a new line on your note and add other 25 pages. For example, scan, drag, save, and here it is. Once your scanning is finished, we can then improve our work by changing the colours. By clicking onto the three rings up here, we can make the document appear in grayscale, black and white, or like the original picture. If you want to improve the layout after the scanning process, you can always click back on the double ruler symbol and make your scanning more neat. When you're happy with your work and you want to share it, click on the fourth icon on the top and select the app you want to use. You can send it as a message on Skype, Zoom, Google Drive, or iBooks, and many others. Let's try to send it via email. We click on the email icon and we should see the document appearing as a PDF. I hope this is useful. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.